of us they pray say make we marry better husband. Good husband will fit stand by you in the times of trial. Good husband will fit stand by you in the times of when everybody they fight you, when enemy they fight you. I won't use this video to tell Lady Monica say make she go to thank God for the kind man where God give her for this life. So because we don't see a lot of cases of accusation like this, when be say before they go even accuse the woman, before they go talk and come out, the husband don't believe, say yes, say that woman really do am. But Monica husband, that man, now God go bless that man. Monica husband, Daddy cool. I just start following your wife's page. I just start following her page. Let's say like 5 days ago. I've not been following her. I just start following her 5 days ago, and I saw your video, a lot of your video that she shared on her page. You are a great man. Daddy cool. May God continue to bless you. Now who never see something, now you go say things not there for this life. Please, I beg, I don't know who they where they press red head for you. Oh. I use God to beg you. No press red head for my platform. If you know say it not let you watch, la wo wo, I beg, just come out, suffer pass. You hear? Because like you press your red head for nothing tomorrow. Me, I know the reason as you tell the reason. And they go they beg God for your man. Now man, I want call cousin. She not going to she do me one cousin. You understand? Because even that accusation, me no believe say Lady Monica go fit do that thing. I not believe she go fit do that kind of thing. Because one, why I not go believe say she go do that thing? One, she be popular figure. Lady Monica not dey stupid reach to that extent to go dey cheat on her husband when she know say she be popular figure. Some kind time we sit down, we dey reason. Not be all lie waiting for this life where people they talk out of quarrel. Not be una go dey believe. Oh. Maybe they pray say person where people they believe in word may alone lie for your head. As I dey tell you so. Not be all lie where person when you are in the quarrel talk, not be true. Because there is no way when quarrel day, not to bring each other down, talk lie for each other head, there go be. Not be wait, see, person you are in the quarrel, you expect me to talk good about you. He can never talk good about you. Now bad, different one we go take tarnish your image. Nobody go fit tell me when I go ever believe, say, Lady Monica go stoop too low, go they sleep outside her matrimonial home with another man. When she knows, say she be popular figure. She has been popular figure for the past 6 years. If I'm not mistaken, if it don't pass 6 years, that woman is not a doormat. That lady, she's not a doormat. That lady will not do that. Because she's not a doormat. Because she's supposed to know, say, anybody where she do that thing for, once she come live video, they make math or they do saga, they must bring a leg come out. Why not be saying another person entirely? Where you're another person entirely, wait till they don't get quarrel. Why not be saying I bring the matter come out? Why could be say now person where they play before? Like could bring matter come out. Because that person I believe say everybody go believe what he talk. But for me, I don't feel believe that kind of thing. Me no fit believe. I no fit believe at all. I no fit believe say she go fit do am. You understand? So another person when God go over bless, na be that the could that husband. That man a great man. That man a man. Now Monica husband I know say yes, a love they exist. Forget. Not be jazz. Say maybe you say he put on according to them, you say put aside bottle do this one lie. If you see natural love, you know say natural love day. That the love we love Monica. Now natural love. Now I love Monica. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a friend. Don't get me wrong. I've never spoken to Monica for my life once. I never talk with him. But I get sense I dey watch. You understand? I get sense I dey watch. Me no believe all those things. And the same way our husband no believe all those things. To start with. When you're talking about resemblance, anybody can resemble anybody. Anybody. Nicholas Anderson, Abi, leave and make it dey inside bottle. The man no worry for inside the bottle. The man they relax. He they drink and he sip for inside the bottle. Leave and if you say dey inside bottle, leave and make it dey inside bottle. If you go still go put your own for inside bottle, may see lawyer as Monica husband tell lover decide that may still be like that. You understand? Make it still be like that. You understand? Do your own like that. If favor monkey, now he play bad dive. If ever monkey now he play bad dive. You understand? So me not believe say that woman truly go sleep with that on that man. Talk like say na that man. Now I can get that picking whether they say na him. Me no believe that one. Nothing will make me believe that one because Monica no they don't matter like that. Will be say he go call no say woman no give am belly. D&C never finish. We can be say bro say na the man I can give am make up be say you no can go say make it go come out. I can say one born. Never. Me no believe that one. Daddy cool. You are a great man. They say education get many parts where they play for person life. Sha. Education. It still get big parts where they play for person life. See Daddy cool. Very responsible. Forget to say they carry dread. Now a lifestyle. Now that they can't hairstyle where like to carry. Now be that one. And it fits them. Now a choice. You understand? But say when man trust the wife pass anything, fit stand by his wife, go join his wife, go join his wife, they do video. No, that man. Daddy cool. I give you, I give you, no, I give you hand. You are a man, you are a great man, and God will continue to bless you. Happiness will never cease from your own because I don't see a lot of cases. Even my own uncle then, when they accuse my uncle wife, that time saying now so she go fled for outside, now so she go fled, now so she go do this one. My uncle, because of what people talk, he no sit down, make it look it why, make it trust it why, say he no sure. And that time everybody believe. Everybody believe. What do you talk? He said they go saga you this time. You better save your, face your life. You are very stupid. Who want saga me? Did I insult anybody? Who want saga me? Did I insult anybody? So nobody get right to talk again because they now get social media. Nobody get right to talk. You don't saga me. Saga me for what? Did I insult anybody? Apart from Monica and her husband, I'm calling on this platform. Did I call anybody's name? Did I insult anybody? My dear beg, you know the reason where. Education get many parts to play for people life. Not the reason where. Not the reason where at all. Say I just there on my own. They talk my own point of view. As everybody they talk their own point of view. You will tell me someone will saga me. Saga me for what? That I don't have right on my own platform. My dear, I beg, grow up, I beg. You are still living in the past. Grow up. So, my uncle wife that time, they lie for this woman head. Talking out of her, I'm talking out of experience. Where they lied for that woman head. Where basically a person wait for their clothes when they talk it, they lie. If you see good, if the person they talk true, you go the pepper on for body because that's also evil, none like. So they forge different lie for people head, none just like. Una no say God they way they watch. Even if be say this time, it not happen this time. Time go come where be say you go reap everything. Come is a bitch. Time go come you go reap everything where you sow. Time go come. That time nobody go fit save you. You hear? Nobody will fit save you that time. Promise my love. Good evening. When they lie for that my uncle head that time, my uncle wife head to my uncle My uncle and this man, where you believe everything where they talk about his wife. This one, a wife when does suffer for a very long time. For a very long time. You and this wife suffer even when you don't get anything. Una suffer. This my uncle no get money that time when this woman deal with this my uncle. But when money don't come, people, a lot of people call they jealous, say the woman don't they enjoy, so the woman they don't buy big car for her and all. They can't begin life for the woman head. Got also so the woman go sleep outside. This one. That I know, but they're not going to talk about DNA that time. Self, maybe say people they talk about DNA. They're not talk about DNA that time. Maybe they forgot to go do DNA. They call say so the one man who come outside. The man who come outside call lie. They pay the man. The man who come outside call lie. Say yes. Say he don't sleep with my uncle wife. This one told me they tell you. So the man come outside. Told say yes. Say he don't sleep with your uncle and my uncle wife. The man are from Delta. Delta, not be Benin person. He come and say he don't sleep with my uncle wife. As the man testify, my uncle wife faints for them because you know say you don't know this man for a while before. Everybody believe. Everybody believe. So my uncle now, everybody believe. Say since that man don't testify, everybody believe. That's why I drive my uncle wife come up for house. And that my uncle wife, and she was a very, very good woman. She was a good woman. They drive this woman come up for house for more than 10 years. After 10 years, after 10 years, that man will talk that word. The man called start to sick. When that man called start to sick, anyway the man go, does make the man go use the man to talk what he do. They call begin. They call the man no call remember say see what he. They no call the man no call remember say see what he do. Now different places where they call carry and go where they call the fear for the place. Then they call tell and say he lie for innocent woman head. I'm ask her how much they pay at that time. Ordinary 20,000 naira that they pay as at that time. As at that time, so now 20,000 naira they pay the man. May tell lie that lie. Now even young guy or as in that man, that guy never married that time. Safe. I'm not sure say don't marry. Now young guy that time. So he called they sick. As they sick. Now they call the car and go different. They call to say me go talk what he do. For the man call the man don't remember. Now let's talk tell and say see he get innocent woman head when he lie put say he sleep with her. And because of that one they drive the innocent woman come up for house because of that lie where the guy lie. Before the guy called remember say yes and for Bini now for do that thing that time. Now so the man they come carry the man come Bini with taxi. The man self you know they feel the waka. One side of his leg they roti. I will not read comment again. I won't read comment again. So one side of his leg they roti. Now the man can't come. When the man comes, so my uncle don't marry another woman. So my uncle don't already marry another woman. That woman, nobody, that my uncle first wife, nobody can't know where a day again. And my uncle want to do now. My uncle drive her with the children. My uncle drive her with the children. So nobody get the children. He drive her with the children. That's what the woman take come out. They suffer with the children. We don't know where the woman call go that time again. At the end of the day, where that man come call confess. That's what my uncle. He fall down the shock. That night, none of us feel sleep. My uncle call everybody around. Say, see what they happen. People go meet the man. Where they sitting at that same guy. They don't even recognize the guy because he sick. He call lean, shrink. He be like skeleton. We call talk say. See who tell him, say make him do and say see who pay him, say make him do. You know who pay him, say make him do. My uncle, other of our uncle again. That's my uncle, that way my uncle senior. He had did that my uncle wife body. He had did the woman body. But as he say no, they married, you know, if he married the woman. Now I find by all means when they take drive that woman. He and the woman. Another of the woman friend told them that they planned that thing. So you see, and so my uncle now just they behind. The other of my uncle now they behind of and that my uncle married that lady, the younger brother. Now they behind of everything. At the end of the day, now they go call down one con. And they go call down one con say, cause he call shock as he see the man. Since then, that's all of us they look say God in heaven. Then they see this kind of allegation where person go just come out. He go just talk her. Say yes, so now me, I sleep with you. You want deny, you don't know me again. How you go fit to deny that kind of thing? Now what happen? to my uncle wife. You see as this life deep. This life is so wicked and deep. Out of jealousy. Now that my uncle to do that thing. Because of say he believes say I think if he get this woman. If they show the woman red light, the woman wanna. Now do that thing. You see as life be. Not be everything I person go they believe. Not be everything I person go they believe. As that the cool could be good man like this. And because I wish my uncle the reason as that they could to the reason. I not believe say he go drive that wife. They foresee day together. At the end of the day, if I will arrest that boy, maybe they beat that boy and where say as he go sleep on that person's wife. Maybe if they beat, I say go sleep on that person. Well, maybe for open up, say na person nice and about. My uncle no go reason that one. You begin drive his wife once. Now so that woman, so the story for they call later. Go find that woman, come back. When go find that woman, come back. The woman say, he not sure saying go fit marry my uncle again because my uncle fit believe and he don't suffer with children. He don't move on. Say my uncle fit believe all those kind of things. That means my uncle man will not trust him. I want to stay with that kind of man. Now so we take beggar. Now she say she give one condition. Say she no go fit stay house with another woman. Say because when he marry her husband, only she marry her husband. Say she no go fit stay. Then now the husband, what the other can take compensate her? He call buy house for her where she and her children call they stay. But he and my uncle still there because she don't born the last one now for my uncle. Since then, now no say, no be all lie where they lie for person head, where your eye no reach. When your eye no reach, no be you go believe. You know you fit carry person nail and for nail. You know you fit carry nail and say, you do this thing. Meanwhile, your eye no reach. Now just out of talk and anger. Now all the matter till they go. Monica, you see that your husband continue to give that man the maximum respect for this life because the thing where that man don't, the insult that man don't receive because of you, not be everybody they take him. That man is a great man. And they see different time when they put a picture with different things, but yet the man still stand by you. Even that time when they put a picture for different things, put this one for where I'm waiting up in you, different things. The man still stand by you. But whether the man can really show say, in a true man, where be say, the man know what to be loved. The man know what it takes to love a woman genuinely. That man, make sure say he stand by you. No matter what they talk, the man no say never. Say that pikin, na a pikin. And that pikin really, na a pikin. That pikin na a pikin. Really. The man stand by wife. See beautiful children. Where God take bless Monica and her husband. See beautiful children. See children as they find like say tomorrow no day. The children, those two girls and that boy. No. Those children, Monica, you and your husband and they try because you really they try for those children body and those children, they're too fine. They are blessings to you. So my sister, your husband, hold and tight. Hold your husband tight. Hold and tight. Give her all the respect where that man deserves because that man is a great man. That man is a great man. That man knows what is called love. And he is so educated. That man is a scholar. He is a scholar. He is so educated to that extent that no. That man, God will continue to bless Daddy Cool. Because now for the this time for seeing that Daddy Cool, as I see where you share them, now for saying that Daddy Cool be Facebook name also. So God will bless you, Daddy Cool. May God continue to bless you, give you the strength and everything to continue to be a good husband to your wife. Because you are a nice man. You are a nice man. You are a good example of a good husband, I swear. You are a good example. And continue to stand by your wife because your wife and your children now be your priority. Now be everything when you get. Now be your everything. And you have shown good example as a responsible and an educated man where you be. You really show him. Say yes, say now you be. God will continue to bless you and you will excel. For that single reason when you stay stand by your wife, you not throw away your wife one day. You not join other people to fight your wife. You are a great man. I respect you. I respect you, Daddy Cool. I respect you. I respect you because true no say me they not talking. I respect you. I respect you. You be great man. You be man where be say woman go think say get him man go rest. You be better man when know the worth of wife and children. You be better man when wish to live all the days of his life with his family, when love his family. You be good man and God will continue to bless you. See him now, fine man, slim shady. Better man when know the worth of his wife. When no say na they go there, nobody touch him. When no say na they enter that place, nobody join. Na walk by nyai agu wegawo. You be correct man, correct man that you be, and I give you hand. It no easy, it no easy, it no easy. Now you bon man. Now they want the reason as you take the reason, you look and say, I beg you, because you know your wife. You know your wife. You know your wife bad character, you know a good character. You know what you go feed do and what you no feed do. For that single reason. No. You be better man. You be better person than the cool. You be good example of good husband. May a lot of people go emulate from you. You be better man. You be man where know yourself. You be man where love your wife, love your children. You be man where be say nobody feel separate you from your family. Me, for one, I not believe. Me not believe say all those things. No one be true. Me not believe. Me not believe. Because me know the insult where that family don't receive. But yet, who will Yahweh her? You will see Karen and say, my sweet wife. You you are 1 in a million, Oga. I hear you. You are 1 in a million. Monica, keep thanking God. That man is a blessing to you. That man is a blessing to you. Any man when he stand by his wife, when no say accusation full everywhere, different talk, different accusation. You know the accusation not they finish for ground. You know they finish for ground. You know they finish for ground. The accusation not they finish for ground. But yet, who is this Sharon Stone? Madam, I like you so much, but I don't want to make you they do all this live video. I don't understand, Sharon. You know why they do live video? As in my madam, now you be I they work follow you. My dear, I'm a boss of my own. You can't tell me what to do. You can like me, fine, and I like you too. But you coming to tell me what to do is you are disrespecting me. It's not nice. You understand? You are disrespecting me. I'm not fighting nobody. I'm not talking about anybody apart from the two names I'm just mentioning on my live video. So please, don't say that word again. You understand? So I be boss of my own. You know if you tell me what to do. You hear? I not be pushover. Go ask. Go ask question. I not be pushover. I not be follow. I not follow anybody. You understand? So please, let me do my thing. Okay? I've been doing video for a very long time. Now, live video, people tell know me. I've been not be live video, tell know me before. I started doing video for since like, let's say like 6 years to 5 years ago. So not be now. So, don't tell me that. So, our daddy cool. From now, you are my daddy cool. Because you know why? No. You too bad. They say when you are big, you are big. When you are small, you are small. Baba, you bam. Baba na baba.